Victor Maintenance Mode Enhancements in 5.7.1. Maintenance Mode has been enhanced in Victor 5.7.1. Introducing Maintenance Mode Action. To create a Maintenance Mode action, select the Create New Item icon and select Maintenance Mode Action. Enter a name and description for the Maintenance Mode action. Selecting a maintenance option, either Maintenance Mode Off or Maintenance Mode On. Selecting Maintenance Mode On will change the camera status to disabled. Selecting Maintenance Mode Off will change the camera status to enabled. Drag a camera onto the camera selector. You can link the Maintenance Mode action to an event. Select the Maintenance Mode event pairing. Once you are happy with the configuration, select the Save icon. An event will be displayed in the event viewer when the Maintenance Mode action event has been activated. While the camera is in maintenance mode, all camera information will be suppressed, for example video loss alarms. The camera health status will be listed as disabled on the health dashboard.